Hi, this is The Glitch. Today we'll be discussing how to hook up the video streaming feature on the Propel drone. First, you need to plug in the battery, and you should see a bunch of lights light up. And you want to make sure that clip is facing downwards and it's facing on the way that's on the outside. It should clip underneath the drone. As you can see, it's lit up. Then you want to turn on the controller. You should hear two beeps. Push the left knob up and down. You should hear a beep with up and down. Keep all this functioning. Like, you want to make sure this stays put. Like, it's on, the controller's ready. Then you want to go into your App Store, Google Play Store. Then look up Propel Tilt. Should be made by Propel RC. You want to go into the Wi-Fi after you download the app. Connect to Propel Tilt. After you've done this, go into your newly found app and click Start. You'll see that the drone is connected. Note, before you connect to the drone, you have to do the cold controller thing and push the knob up and down, power it up, because if you do this afterwards, then it will not function properly, and I do not think you will get your streaming feed, although I do not know for sure. This only works for the Propel Spyder XL. Thank you.